What's up guys, welcome to this video. In today's video I want to quickly show you how you can fix fatal error in GTA 5. That's the topic of today's video, so just stick around if you're interested in that. But before we start right into a topic, I would really like to mention something. You guys would certainly make my day if you could leave a like, comment and subscribe to my small little YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me, so thank you very much. But let's dive right into a topic. What do you need to do in order to fix this issue? First of all, make sure to open and find your installation files of your GTA 5. If you're using Epic Games, then just head over to your Epic Games library and then click on the three dots right next to your GTA 5 and click on Manage. And then you should see right next to your uninstallation button folder icon. Just click on it and then you should blend in the installation files. And if you're using Steam, then just works very similarly. Just right click on your GTA 5 in your library, click on Properties, and then on Local Files, and there should also be an option to open your installation files. I'm just also going to open it real quick on my second screen so that you can see it. And then this should look something like this with all these folders and files in it. And then make sure to find, you can also just select anything in there and just type in GTA 5, because you need to find this application that's called GTA 5.exe and has about 60 megabytes. And then just right click on it, click on Properties. And then we're going to change over to the Compatibility tab, where we are going to set a few settings. First of all, I would suggest you to run this program in compatibility mode 4. And just check the setting here, and then Windows 8 is perfectly fine. And also down here, make sure to disable the full screen optimizations and to run this program as an administrator every time you launch it. And then when you've changed to those settings, just click on Apply. And if you are playing GTA on 2 or more users, this button here maybe makes sense to you, but for the most of you, just click on OK. And then you can launch GTA 5 normally again, and it should work without fatal errors. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.